Okay, so this time we've got cos x equals to a half. So just like before, we can find one angle, okay, by taking the cos over, doing cos to the minus 1. So on my calculator, I'm going to do shift cos 1/2, okay, and that comes out to be 60 degrees. So there's one of the angles, but there's going to be more, okay, in that range there, we're going to find another one, okay. So just like before, we draw an axis, 8 lines down, okay, and then 4 lines down from there, then we're going to draw our x-axis, which is going to be 12 centimeters, okay, and mark off at every 3 centimeters, put a mark until we get to 12, make it a little bit longer, and there's our x-axis there. So remember, we always go up in 90s, okay, until we get to 360. And the cos graph is contained between 1 and minus 1. So if you go up, say, 3 lines, 1 there, down 3 lines there, to minus 1, okay? And just like we did before, the cos graph is a cos wave, okay? A cosine wave. And if you don't know what it looks like, can't remember where it starts with, well, if you put cos 0 to start with, okay, you'll see cos 0 is 1. It's going to be different to the sine wave. Then put cos 90. Okay, that's 0. Cos 180, if you do that, it comes out to be minus 1. Cos 270 is 0. And cos 360, if you work that out on your calculator, is 1. So it kind of looks now like a V, doesn't it? A V, but don't go drawing a V, because that is completely wrong. It's got to be like a wave. So as I said before, turn the page around, okay? And it's kind of helpful then. A bit like that. It's not going to be perfect, right? But you've got a rough idea there what the cos graph looks like, okay? So then, just like before, we identify where our half is, okay? So we draw a line across. So we've got a half here, and that gives me the angle I got on the calculator here, 60 degrees. And then we're going to work out the other angle. And just like before, the symmetry, okay, to get to 60 degrees, that slope there of the curve is going across 60 degrees. It's exactly the same as this slope here, where it's going backwards 60 degrees, isn't it? So it's going 60 degrees across here, but this is going backwards 60 degrees from 360. So my first angle is 60, and the other angle there will be 360, take away 60. So I get 60 degrees and 300 degrees.